I should probably disconnect the battery, but I haven't actually done. I'm not sure how the airbag system works on these, but because it's an electric base, I need to get to the back bolts as well. So I'll undo the fronts, slide it forward, and then disconnect the battery, and hopefully don't get an airbag in the face at the same time, because that would suck. So that's both front seats out. Now, the trim pieces on the floor, and I think my bit's fucked. Yep, it's dying. Need another bit. What do we got here? So I'll get the center console out. Okay. Hopefully I didn't put any screws in that. Nope. See you later. See you later. And nope. Never remember. Hello. 2 8 mils probably. See you later. There we go. Don't roll away on me. Nope. Alright, I need 2 hands. Alright, most of the crap's out. So dark in the shed. Still got the back seat in. All that's out. Rubber. I've never actually pulled the carpet out of one of these, so this is fun. So yeah, I think I have to take the back seat out, or the base anyway. So over that side, the pillar to go. And then around the handbrake and stuff. Slip over there, mate. Alright, back there. Yeah, I've got most of it done. How the fuck do I unplug the blue clip that's somewhere in the seal here? I don't fucking... what? Can't pull it out anymore. I've looked underneath, I couldn't see any blue plug. Somewhere in there. Today's episode of Let's Do Some Fun Shit. It is back to the same floor loom. Surprise! Yeah, I got most of it out. Looking good. Well, looking good for interior all over the place and everywhere else, but where it should be. One loom out. I cut a couple of wires at the back, I'm not going to lie. I got lazy, couldn't be fucked reaching up, trying to pull them out, but pretty confident, easy enough to wire up. Should be right. And this loom I'll lay out in a sec, and then throw it inside the car. Alright, so run into my first problem with this loom swap. So this here is the passenger side, next to the ECU 2 plugs. So one goes to, or both go to the door, so door loom. This is the S1 Fairmont plugs. This is the Fairlane. Nope, this is the Fairlane plugs. All the rest are the same. So I think that one's indicator. Nope, that one is. Anyway, so this one goes to the door. So on the Fairlane, I think they went into a single plug. So these two here on the Fairmont one, so essentially the same, but yeah, with Fairlane they decided to just put them all in one bigger plug, different. So that's great. So it's all good on the driver's side. As far as I can see, it all seems to be the same, but it's just the passenger side. So I'll cut the Fairlane plug. I could just change door loom, but I just can't be fucked. I'd rather just wire up some wires, so much easier. So I'll cut this plug off, and then I'll take these two here and just color code them and join them up, so it'll have them plugs separately. As long as it's got all the same wires, I'll count the wires out, check the colors, make sure there's no colors that are the same, and then you end up in a big debacle of, oh, there's 2 greens, or yeah, 2 whites or something without any marks on them, so they're exactly the same. But yeah, do this, see how I go. Alright, 20 minutes later, all done, heat wrapped up, etc. Both plugs. There was 16 on one and 15, so there's one wire that doesn't really go anywhere. So I'm hoping that it's just a, I don't know, maybe a power bridge, like it doesn't need it. So we'll see anyway. I could just, yeah, maybe something that the, which plugs are these? Maybe something that the Fairmonts don't have, that the Fairlanes do in the passenger door. Not 100%, but we'll see. This is just all temporary anyway, so if I need to change it, it'll work for now. Alright, well, found my problem. It is on the driver's side. So, this is one plug. Floor loom. If you look at all the colours and where they go, they plug in, but they're completely different. I should actually unplug that. And same with this one, so that one slots in there. There's a couple that are right, the door locks. Door locks will work, etc. But yeah, still no windows. Like the big power wire, I'm presuming there, or maybe some sort of signal. A couple of them match, but like purple, big yellow. So, because I've already done the passenger side, hardwired into the S1 plugs, I'll just swap door loom on this side, on driver's side. Everything else is done, so it should be good then. I think, yeah, the windows and all that aren't getting power, so. So cut the correct plugs off S2 door. Same plugs, but yeah, just different wires in different spots. So I'll just fucking wire them up, slap them in there. Ran into a few dilemmas, but fucking all them wires are wired up now. All the windows work, everything works. Bit of a mess, but should do for now.